Yo guys. I've been on this trade since I can't even remember. I've been on this trade about I think 2 hours ago. This is 15 minutes candle. I actually took gold from here. Like I bought gold from here. This was my first entry. And then this is my TP here. That was the first entry. Then it went little in my favor and then gradually it went down. Actually, my stop loss was here before. So it remained small would have took me out, and luckily it went up. But before I know, this is a Fibonacci retracement tools I use here. So I know this is going to go up here. So I took another trade from here. And then currently the trade I took, the second trade I took is currently on the profit. While the one I took earlier is still on loss, minus 15, as you can see. I've took some earlier trade earlier, etc. Took some trade earlier. So currently, this is it. This is my SL here. If it hits my SL, fine. Does not, fine. But this is my TP here, and then this is another TP here. So just gonna see what's going to do. Yeah, it's in my favor now. Currently in $4. Currently in $4. Sometimes I feel like losing it, Sometimes I feel like losing it, but you got to know that it's gonna get to this place because I know it's going to get to this. It's going to come back and retouch this place here. That's certain. It's still going to come and retouch this place. And when it gets to this place, then I can just close it. I don't think I'm going to wait longer for the trade to come to this TP here. But definitely, I know it's coming up here. You're in $5 up. It's also going to be fluctuating. You just don't be scared. It's going to be fluctuating. Just leave it. Yeah. That's how we do it, bro. Forex is emotion. You cannot go up, you cannot go down. Sometimes it's going to be in your favor and sometimes it's gonna hit you hard. It's just it's emotion. You just have to psychology, you just have to be right. You just have to know that okay, this is it. I know it's going to get to my point. We are up $10. I guess I'm going to close this straight here because I've already made my profits for today. I've made about $60 already. This is a trade that actually took my time. I already placed my trade. I trade BTC, and then BTC has already given me what I want. Because I entered gold earlier and then it's nearly kicked me out. Thank God. Thank God. We are up $14, $13. I guess we are going to close this trade here, guys. Or I think let me just wait, let it hit my TP. But that's it, bro. I'm closing this trade right now. Um, catch you guys in the next trade. Closing on my trade, closing on my trade, closing on my trade. This $7, I'm gonna see. I'm going to wait if maybe it's going to go to at least, I don't know. One thing about Forex trading is that you see it's bumping back, it's bumping back. But definitely it's going to come back to my entry. It's definitely going to come back to my entry. So I'm not closing the trade yet. Guys, that is just it. Have a wonderful trading journey, bro.